Hello, fellow gardeners. September has arrived, and it's a wonderful time to get your hands in the soil and plant some delicious and nutritious vegetables. Today, we've got a lineup of 10 veggies that are perfect for planting this month. So sit back, relax, and join us as we dive deep into each of these fantastic options for your fall garden. Let's kick things off with some leafy greens that thrive in the cool September weather. First up, we have spinach. Its tender leaves are not only delicious in salads, but are also a great source of vitamins and minerals. You can sow the seeds directly in your garden or start them indoors for a head start. Next, consider planting mustard greens. They bring a delightful, peppery flavor to your dishes and are a breeze to grow. These greens are a favorite in southern cuisine and can add a unique taste to your meals. Remember, when planting leafy greens, it's essential to provide them with well-draining soil and ample sunlight. With a little care, you'll have a constant supply of fresh greens for your kitchen. Now let's explore the world of herbs, where fragrance and flavor come together in your garden. Cilantro, with its fresh and citrusy taste, is perfect for spicing up your salsas, soups, and curries. It's an annual herb that grows quickly, so you can enjoy its leaves within weeks of planting. Basil, a classic herb in Italian cuisine, infuses your dishes with a fragrant and aromatic touch. It's a versatile herb that pairs wonderfully with tomatoes, making it a must-have for any garden. When growing herbs like cilantro and basil, regular pruning and harvesting will encourage bushier growth. Plus, you get to enjoy their flavors in your cooking. Next on our list are brassicas like cauliflower and cabbage. Cauliflower. Versatile and nutrient-packed, is a great choice for planting in September. This cool season veggie thrives in fall and early winter. Cabbage, known for coleslaw and sauerkraut, is a hearty addition to your garden. You can choose from various varieties, including red and green. When growing cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower and cabbage, make sure to provide them with consistent moisture and protect them from common pests like cabbage worms. Let's not forget about root veggies, perfect for the cooler days ahead. Radishes, with their vibrant colors and peppery crunch, are quick to grow and enjoy. They are an excellent choice for beginners and they mature rapidly. Carrots, sweet and crunchy, come in various colors and are a delightful addition to your garden. To get those straight, long roots, ensure your soil is loose and free from stones. Beets, with their earthy flavor and stunning colors, are perfect for roasting, pickling, or adding to salads. You can even eat their greens as tasty and nutritious beet greens. When harvesting root veggies like radishes and beets, gently pull them from the soil to avoid damage. And don't forget to wash and enjoy the greens too. Last but not the least, let's talk about legumes that enrich your soil and your dinner table. Consider planting peas. They are not only a delicious addition to your meals, but also help improve your soil's health. Peas are known as nitrogen fixers, which means they take nitrogen from the air and make it available to other plants. Peas come in various types, including shelling peas, snap peas, and snow peas. Each offers a unique taste and culinary experience. So roll up your sleeves, grab your gardening tools, and let's make the most of this planting season. Remember, gardening is not just about growing food, it's about nurturing your connection with nature and enjoying the fruits of your labor. And there you have it, a closer look at 10 fantastic veggies and herbs to plant in September. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, these choices are sure to bring joy to your garden and your plate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your garden adventures with us. Happy planting!